In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share a Zoom meeting link. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click so you can get your invite out quickly and confidently. Start by opening Zoom. This can be the desktop app or the mobile app, whichever you normally use. If you're prompted to sign in, go ahead and do that so you can access your meetings. It's also a good idea to keep Zoom updated, since button names and locations can shift slightly with new versions. Next, decide whether you want to meet right now or set something up for later. If you need to bring people in immediately, start a new meeting. If you're planning ahead, schedule one for a future time and date. Either way, the goal is the same. You're going to copy the meeting invite so you can share it with others. If you're already in a live meeting, look along the bottom of the Zoom window for the Participants button. Click Participants, and in that panel, select Copy Invite Link. The link is now copied to your clipboard, ready to paste anywhere you need, like a chat message, an email, or a team workspace. This link takes invitees straight to your meeting, and if a passcode is required and embedded, they won't need to enter it separately. If your meeting is scheduled for later, open the meeting details. From there, you'll see options such as Copy Invitation or Copy Invite Link. Copy Invite Link gives you just the direct URL to the meeting, which is perfect for quick messages or adding to a calendar event that already has context. Copy Invitation provides a fuller block of text that usually includes the meeting link, the meeting ID, the passcode if one is set, and optional dial-in numbers. This is handy when you want to give attendees every way to join in one place, especially for those who prefer to call in. A few quick tips to keep things smooth. Share the link only with the people you intend to invite. And consider enabling a waiting room or requiring a passcode if you want an extra layer of control over who joins. If someone says they can't find the button you mentioned, remember that labels can vary slightly by platform, but the options to copy an invite or a link are always in the meeting window or the meeting's details screen. That's all there is to it. Open Zoom, start or schedule your meeting, and then copy the invite from participants during a live session or from the meeting details if it's scheduled. Paste it where your attendees will see it, and you're ready to go.